Hello everyone. So as you can see, I'm on a MD file. MD is popular and MD is future also with the way LLMs and things are consuming it. This is not a fun way to work on MD. So we release an open source VS Code extension called Markdown for Humans. So it's released near last year and it's open source. Last week we added a new feature for linking, and this is what it is. So like notice where I am, we have flight or not flight, fight with the split planes here. I will hit this. One thing is we did this last time only. You can add text from the left and text from the right to the link, and you can do this. This is an old feature. I just love it, so I'm demoing it again. Another thing which we have added last week is ability to link files and quickly filter on which type of file you want to link. Let's say I want to link an MD file, architecture.md. So now if you click on this one, it will take you to this file. So you don't have to file the path and do all the things. All that hassle is gone. It is doing it on the own. Now let's say I want to link this text to a heading, which is also important for internal within document linking. So now it is showing you all the headings. You can link it here, usage, hit save. And now if you go here, it is taking you to the usage section. So this is a small thing, but a big thing, if you, especially if you work a lot on Markdown files. So do try it out, drop us a feedback, and if you want to install it in Cursor, Windsurf, so we have it listed on OpenVSX registry. You can install it from here. And then typical VS Code, it's also available on VS Code Marketplace. You can get it from here. And in case you want to raise a PR and improve a bug or add a feature, we do appreciate that also. It's all open source. It's not locked to anyone. You can do that also. I'm very excited to take your feedback. What do you think on this linking feature? Do let us know in comments. Thank you.